Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean chlorine generator cell. Only way. Turn off the power, remove the cell, and soak it in a 1 to 10 muriatic acid solution until scale dissolves. Then rinse thoroughly with fresh water and reassemble carefully. Inspect gaskets and connectors and replace worn parts, test system function, and maintain a monthly check routine to prevent heavy buildup for longer cell life and clearer pool water. Start by wearing gloves and eye protection and ensure good ventilation to avoid acid fumes while cleaning the cell. Mix a 1:10 acid to water ratio in a plastic bucket slowly, always adding acid to water, then immerse the cell plates carefully for short intervals while monitoring reaction. Agitate gently, remove loosened scale with a soft brush, rinse thoroughly, and neutralize residue before reinstalling the cell. Follow manufacturer instructions for concentration limits and maximum soak times to avoid cell damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more pool care tips. It helps a lot and keeps content coming. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for fresh car vibes after messy pool work products shown in this video, link in the description and other deals listed there. Thanks for the support. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use a soft nylon brush, plastic bucket, measuring cup, and appropriate PPE to protect yourself and the cell while cleaning. Inspect cell plates for pitting, corrosion, or deep deposits that indicate replacement rather than cleaning. After cleaning, run a salt and chlorine output test, log maintenance dates, and consider a biannual deep clean if you swim frequently. Routine light cleans prevent major scale buildup and extend cell service life regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.